Just gotten through Bastard Lane and we're hitting the road with one goal to make it to the Strata Florida. We cut a section off the TET to save some time. It was a bit more zigzaggy and we wouldn't have enough time to complete that full trail and make it to the Strata Florida and then on to our accommodation and in time. So straight road run to Strata Florida.
We're gonna keep going, I'll come back. Fucking hell. Did not expect this bit. Fucking hell! Oh, that's so good! First river. First big fucking puddle it is.
Strata started with a bang, a great hill climb and Owen getting a little bit too friendly with the ground again. After that we cruised along some lovely gravel and flowing track. My GoPro then decided to pack it in, the battery just died, so I switched cameras just in time for some puddle hopping, then a nice downhill stretch and then the first deep one. Nearly took a dip but just petted through.
Nearly went. No.
Go where she's going.
Yeah, right.
And we're stuck. So close to freedom. Walking up, just trying to get some coverage. One got his bike stuck in mud and we can't get it fucking out. It's proper buried. The exhaust is underwater and it's now going on 6 o'clock, so we're gonna have to cancel as soon as we can get this out. Hopefully someone can come along and give us a hand and help us get this out. So otherwise it's going to be a bit of a long evening. So just back up on the gravel track and just waiting for flag down a guy who is in a 4x4 and he's coming back with his buddy there, the two
just be really happy. Thank you, Jesus!
4x4s. I'm going to pull Owen out. It's 6:20. Fuck all coverage here, and yeah, he's not too happy because he looks after some of the green lanes, this guy was saying, and that way Owen went in shouldn't have been there. He was saying some on a 4x4 shouldn't be going in there that way, so we're stuck. Hopefully when we get the bike out it'll start. Just needs to clear out the exhaust, but we're going to just make a beeline on this gravel road to Clandovry. We'll see what time we get there at to head to our accommodation. It might be a late one, so listen, it is what it is. It's all part of it. I know Owen is absolutely reeking at the moment, but yeah, I'm just trying to cheer him up and say it's not the end of the world. Like, we had a great day, and if we get out and we get back to our accommodation, we have the ABR for the weekend, it'll be fucking amazing.
Yeah. Straight back there, it's a bit of a hole there, but yeah. Bloody new. On your right, Bob.
Oh fuck me, I put this back on. ordered this so I can fucking wind them up for weeks after now. Here, I can step in, sure, fuck it, I've...
No, don't worry, you haven't been in yet.
Exhaust is out anyway.
It's starting to turn.
Yeah.
Front wheel was turning a bit, wasn't it? Yeah. I don't know whether, if you're both prepared to get in there, you might be better off both getting in there and trying to lift the bars out. Yeah. Just a little bit on both sides and just jiggle it as it's winching.
Whoa, there you go. That's the fucking big one.
Deep down there, mate, so stay deep. It's going to go into your fucking boots. That's the deepest part there.
Okay.
Here, I'll go in there, yeah? Where I am isn't as bad, so I'll go around. I don't want him getting as bad as me, like I'm already fucking fucked.
Has it actually pumped out? Is it still running?
It was.
But I say the exhaust is full of water now, like, so I'm only going to have to fucking tip her at this stage.
There's a forestry track in there.
Uh-huh.
There's a forestry bypass track.
I know.
Oh, yeah.
We found it now.
Right. Yeah. Do you want to try driving it?
Yeah, do that. Do that around the front of the front wheel like you were doing.
What's that? Oh, do this?
Just. What about trying to grab the wheel? What about you grab the wheel?
Yeah. She got pulled in too much suction.
It might need to be put around the wheel to lift it out. Or do you want to try driving it while he pulls and see if you got anything?
So I think there's a little ledge here that the fucking front wheel just caught on.
Or I just go around the other side and put it out backwards or something.
No,
No, because it's as bad down there as it is here.
Yeah.
How far will it wobble side to side? Because if you go side to side, can you put it back over this way? So do a bit of that. Right?
Yeah.
Don't break it on.
No, it's not. Good no. No, that's it. Go on, keep going.
Oh, fucking me.
Back it off again, right? Do that wobbling thing again. Right, I'll put it right over here. That's it. And then get it upright.
Get it upright. Yeah.
What about if one of you sit on it? There's weight on the back then, isn't it?
You want to sit on it? You have a bit more weight than me. Sorry about saying that, Owen, but...
It is moving forward. There's a log. Oh, there's a log here.
Is there?
Yeah, is that log? Was that just meds with...
Oh, it is. Fucking hell. You on about being a step.
Right, so if you get it right over here now, I think it'll go up where that log was.
Yeah.
Back it up here. Hang on.
Yeah.
Your brakes.
Hang on, I need my balance.
You want me to back it up a bit?
No, it's all right. Good. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stop.
I know. Come on.
Might be out of balance a bit. I might be able to get further over, I don't know, but you can probably do
There you go.
Played in muddy puddle.
We're out. Hey, puppy. Yeah! Yeah, buddy. And we're out. No Strata Florida today. It got the better of us. The bike is out, and to add to the mayhem that was that evening, Owen has just one bar of fuel left. So we're crawling into Tregaron at 8 PM, and every petrol station within the area is shut. So we ended up finding a local B&B that did some cold beers and an absolute mountain of fish and chips, and we said we'd stay here for the night and rock on to the ABR Friday morning. Next year. Unforgettable day, stories galore, laughs, mud, near disasters, punctured hand, and we're not done yet. Tomorrow we'll fuel up and head for the ABR. Stay tuned.